Today I am joining in on Summer Garden Tea Party, Tablescape 20. Mine is Tea Time with the Hydrangeas. Hope you enjoy this beautiful challenge that we're all doing together. This is the wonderful Sanji living life to the fullest, an awesome channel, and she came up with really a different spin on tea time. So beautiful with that beautiful ladybug. Please go check out that entire video. It's awesome. Then the co-hostess is me, myself, and Deeing Ying It, another awesome channel. I know you're going to love it. Look at how beautiful her tablescape was. It was so beautiful. Loved it. And then, of course, we have Andrea Mason, the Queen. She is just the Queen's Court. She just does the most awesome things on her channel too. Please go and check it out. Just to give you a little taste of what's on her channel, look at this beautiful tablescape tea on her patio. Is it not beautiful with those beautiful sunflowers? Now this is mine.
Well, we're having a wonderful summer tea on the patio. And our main thing is hydrangeas, as you can see. I have hydrangea flowers in the center. Are they not beautiful? And hydrangeas on the teapot. And on the beautiful hydrangea plates, are they not beautiful? And I felt so lucky and fortunate that I was able to find some hydrangea blue to match everything we have here with a beautiful butterfly. Is it not beautiful? And we have some wonderful tea to drink and carrot cupcakes for our dessert. The only thing that I bought for this, and we're not counting it because I did get the hydrangea napkin, so I guess there was probably a little cost in that. But they're probably only a few cents, maybe a quarter, because there's a lot of napkins and they'll last for quite a while. So maybe I spent a quarter except for the food. The teapot I already had, the cups I already had, the creamer and the sugar bowl I already had. The butterflies you see on both sides I already had. And you know we don't count the cost of food because we're going to eat that. And the beautiful hydrangea centerpiece you see in the center, I've had that quite a while too, and it's been photographed, so there's no cost for that. I hope you enjoyed. Oops, I take it back. We did have an expense. Oh my gosh, Grandma forgot. I got the napkins, so they're like maybe 50 cents at the most. The lace probably was, I don't want to admit it how much, probably $20. And then I got this centerpiece for $6. So that's $26 and some change that we spent on this tea. And this is a hydrangea tea. Is it not great? All the beautiful hydrangea flowers that we had. I hope you enjoyed it. I went over to Martha Green's today and I got some beautiful, as you can see, a cream puff that I cut in half. It's so big. And I got some snickerdoodle cookies, and I got these awesome walnut desserts, and of course 3 tiramisus, because me and my husband both do love them. And my granddaughter came over to help me today with my YouTube channel, and I got one for her too. She's not quite sure if she's going to like it, but she's willing to try it. And you all know my channel is designed for Adults only, interested in tablescapes, home decor, gardening, shopping hauls, challenges, DIY projects, or anything else Grandma thinks about putting up on her channel. Well, I guess we're going to say bye for now. You awesome, awesome. Kisses and hugs to all of you that made it to the end. I love you all, my family and friends that have stopped by to see this tablescape. Bye-bye for now. Please come back and check out tomorrow. There'll be some new videos up.